A tracer.
Look.
Cole's in it. Cole is alone.
I'm gone, man. I don't even know where I am. I can't see.
Michael, stay
I
with me,
cannot.
because I'm more.
You guys sound like you're having a lot of fun. What could possibly be so funny?
That was great. That was an accident. I didn't like. I was just like, I had both my hands in the air, and then I was like, "Hey, I'm gonna hit the arrow keys and not WASD," and I just came straight at your face.
I'm gonna record that. That was so good.
I'm unstuck, by the way. Cole.
When you got unstuck, we didn't say anything and just looked at each other.
All right, let's go find Colt.
Oh,
Knowing
you,
him,
good
he
luck.
probably went this way. Oh, we found you.
Hey! I made